Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. In the previous video, my view was that there is liquidity to the upside above where price currently is, and I expected this liquidity to be partially recovered before Bitcoin continues with the correction. My estimate was that Bitcoin will retrace to a level of between 44,500 to 44,800, retrace some of this imbalance, and continue in a downward trajectory. I was of this mind until yesterday, actually, until today during the Asian session, and let me walk you through my chain of logic. Since January 14th, we had consistently been making higher highs and higher lows. Yes, it was a very messy price action with a lot of volatility to the up and to the downside, but it is to be expected in a correction. This kind of price action is indicative of a correction. However, in my mind, we were going to retrieve liquidity to the upside before continued going down. And yesterday's flash dump during the London session also strengthened this opinion because I considered this move, this strong and violent move to the downside, as a stop hunt. And I was in an opinion that after this stop hunt, the market maker will take price to 44,500 and after that continue with the correction. As you can see, Bitcoin formed an ascending triangle which supported my target of 44,800 as well. Once Bitcoin got above the short-term EMAs, the 21 and the 50 on the 1 hour, and above this resistance level of 43,250, I was of the opinion that we are going to recover liquidity to the upside. However, this did not materialize, and Bitcoin hit the 21-day EMA and got back down again. And currently, we are stuck between the 21-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Now, what does this remind me? This reminds me when you throw a ball forcefully to the floor, it bounces up. First bounce is high, the second bounce is lower, the second and the third and the fourth bounce is hardly noticeable. This looks the same with this allegory because according to this allegory, this trend line, this Gann angle is the support, it's the wall, and price is the ball. First hit, we got a 6% move. Very nice. Second hit, we got a 9% move, even better. Third hit, 11% move, even better. Fourth hit, we had first a stop hunt to the downside. We went down more than we did in the previous times, but we got a bounce of 20%. Now, on the January 14th and January 15th, we hit this trend line again in what could have been considered a double bottom, but all we got was 4.5%. What does this tell me? It tells me that the buyers are losing their momentum, they're losing their power, and that they weren't even able to push price to a liquidity level slightly above the 21-day EMA, which forces me to reconsider my opinion. and accept the possibility of lower prices. However, as long as Bitcoin is above the 40K level, an upside is still possible. Below 40K, I believe that an immediate upside will be impossible, and that we will go down for a correction, where to initially to 38.5 and possibly to 37K. This is my view at the moment. I think it's not the best market to trade right now, and I'm staying flat and waiting to see what will come up. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.